Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Running Python scripts from the command line in Windows is a fundamental skill for any Python developer. This tutorial will guide you through the process, providing step-by-step instructions and code examples. Create a simple Python script using a text editor or an integrated development environment, IDE. For this tutorial, let's create a basic script named hello.py. Save this file in a directory of your choice. Open the command prompt by pressing Win+R, typing cmd, and pressing Enter. Alternatively, you can search for command prompt in the Start menu. Use the cd command to navigate to the directory where your Python script is located. For example, replace path / to / your / script / directory with the actual path to the directory containing your hello.py script. Once you are in the correct directory, you can run your Python script using the Python command followed by the script's file name. If your Python version is 3.x, you might need to use Python 3 instead. If the Python command is not recognized, you may need to add Python to your system's path environment variable. During the Python installation, you can check the box that says Add Python to Path. Congratulations! You've successfully run a Python script from the command line in Windows. This fundamental skill is crucial for automating tasks, building scripts, and running Python applications. Remember to explore additional command line options and parameters for more control over script execution. As you continue your Python journey, mastering command line execution will prove invaluable. ChatGPT